I'm going to show you one YouTube feature that is going to help you find trending topics for your channel with the right SEO keywords. So if people are not watching your video, you are not getting views here on YouTube. One of the big problems we are going to be solving today is that you are creating videos that people are not searching for. Remember that YouTube is a learning platform. Creating videos is one thing. Creating videos that people are searching for is completely different. So if you want people to start watching your videos, you want that each time people come on YouTube and they are searching for a particular topic in your niche, your video should pop up in search results here on YouTube and beyond, like Google, Pinterest, different sites where people search for videos. This video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down what YouTube SEO is, how it works, and how you can get the top spot in search results using just one YouTube feature. Hello guys, my name is Mimi and welcome to my channel. In this channel, I teach you how to grow on YouTube using smart strategies that actually works. Now, what is YouTube SEO? SEO in YouTube simply means search engine optimization. Now, how does it work? This is the process whereby YouTube rank similar videos to know which one is going to gain the top spot in search results. Now, if I create a video on how to make a semicircled beaded bag and 10 other creators create a video how to make a semicircled beaded bag, now YouTube is going to gather all these videos. It is going to scan the videos. It is going to scan the thumbnail, the title, the background music, the gestures, animation, everything in that video. And then YouTube will now decide which one is the winner. And then it will give it a top spot in search results. I'm going to be showing you a demonstration of that shortly. Now, when you come on YouTube and you search for a particular topic, you will see videos popping up like the first, second, third, fourth. It is YouTube that has arranged these videos in this manner because YouTube has gathered all the similar videos together. It has scanned them and decide which one of them is the winner and is going to give it a top spot in search results. So if people come on YouTube and they are searching for a particular topic in your niche and your video cannot pop up in search results, there is a problem. And we are going to be using just one YouTube feature to solve this problem. So I'll open my YouTube app and then go to the search bar and type semicircle. You can already see semicircle beaded bag. You can see semicircle beaded bag tutorial. So I'll click on semicircled beaded bag. So as you can see in the search results, my video is first. How to make a semicircled beaded bag with raised sides with 90k views. Then when you go to the when you scroll, you will see the next semicircled beaded bag with 46k views. If you continue to scroll, you will see different semicircled beaded bags. It is YouTube that has arranged these videos for viewers' experience. Okay, so after YouTube must have scanned all these videos and then it's going to arrange them like this. So if people come on YouTube and they are searching for a particular topic in your niche, and if you have created a video on that topic, if people cannot see your video in search results, how will they watch your video? So you want to take note of this. Maybe your title has a problem because at first, when I'm creating a bag, my first beaded bag that I created, I titled the bag my signature Valentine's Day bag. So when I started studying YouTube, I realized that I didn't use the keywords for that bag. So I had to change the title to how to make a simple beaded bag for Valentine's Day. The keyword on that video is beaded bag, but I didn't use it. So after I changed it, I saw that the views on that video started climbing. Okay, as you can see on this video, the main keyword is semicircled. And at the end, I put with raised sides. So no matter what you put after you have put the keyword on your video, does not really affect your video. So make sure that within the first few words on your title bar, you are using your keywords for your video. Now let's go to this one YouTube feature that is going to help you get searchable titles for your videos. Okay, let's go. So right now we are going to open our YouTube Studio app. Please, if you do not have a YouTube Studio app, make sure you download one as a creator. So I'll open my YouTube Studio app, and then we are going to click on Analytics. So when we click on Analytics, it's going to open up like this. So scroll to the right and then click on Trends. When you click on Trends, this is the feature we are going to be using to get searchable titles for our videos, okay? So when I click on Trends, you can see where it is written top searches, okay? How to make beaded purse at home. And then when you scroll to the left, you will see how to make a bag out of beads and string. When I scroll to the next, I'm going to see beaded bag tutorial with frame. So these are the top searches on my channel. Remember that this channel, I started it with beading. I just switched my niche few weeks ago. Okay, that is why my top searches are still under beading or are still on beading. Okay, now let's go to the next part. So when I click over here, it's going to show me so many topics that has to do with beading. So you can see a lot of beading topics, how to make a beaded purse at home, how to make different beaded bags topics. So if I choose any of these topics, okay, and I recreate a video out of these topics, automatically people are going to watch, because you can see top here, it says top searches. This is what people are searching for on YouTube. So please, anytime maybe you are stuck with ideas on your niche, you can just come to this part and then see all the top searches, videos that people are actually searching for. Choose any of the topics here and then create a video out of these topics. People are going to watch it because this is what people are searching for in your niche. So let's go back. So if I go back, you can see where it is written explore topics. So any topic you have in your head and you don't even know how to write the title of that topic, or you want similar topics from the topic you have in your head, come to explore topics. Now let's go there. I'm going to type something in that place. I can type how to make a beaded bag and I'll see different topics. So let me just go ahead and type how to make a clutch beaded bag. Okay, so I click OK. So it's going to load. You can see it written here boldly, how to make a clutch beaded bag. It shows that very high interest from your viewers. So if I create a video right now on how to make a clutch beaded bag, my viewers are going to watch that video because I started this channel with beading. Fingers crossed, we are going to start having high interest from YouTube growth topics. So you can see that when you want to create any topic, just click it and then see if your viewers are going to watch it. If their interest is high, go ahead and make that video. Okay. So if you go down and see searched on YouTube, you can see that people are searching for how to make pearl clutch purse. So if you make a video on how to make pearl clutch purse, people are going to watch it. Next, you can see how to make beaded purse strap. Okay. These are topics that people have been searching on YouTube. Okay. Next, you can see how to make box clutch purse at home. So these are some of the topics that are top searched topics in the beading niche. So now if you scroll down, if I scroll down, I'm going to see how to make the trending beaded clutch bag with metal frame. I've made the bag before, and it has 246,000 point something views. So if you recreate this video, trust me, you are going to have views. You are going to get views. Okay, so this is how to find topics for your channel. Let's check the next video. So the next video says crystal beaded tutorial, how to make a crystal clutch bag. Okay, whether it's handbag, I don't know, but it has 322,000 views. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one says how to make a beaded clutch bag with metal frame DIY and so on. You can see the views, there's 17,000 views. So it is as simple as ABCD for you to get topics in your niche. So now let's go back and check for topics in my new niche and see my viewers' interest. Remember, I just switched my channel from bidding to YouTube growth. So let's go back and check and see my viewers' interest on YouTube growth. I'll go back and in the search, explore topics. Okay, under explore topics, I'm going to go on search. So when I click on search, I'm going to type how to start and grow a successful YouTube channel. Let's see. You can see that very low interest from your viewers. Now I am creating videos on how to start and grow a YouTube channel. I'm making videos on YouTube growth. You can see that my viewers' interest is very low. That is why you see low views on this channel, because most of my subscribers, they actually subscribe on this channel because of bidding. Now I have to build new subscribers. That is why you see the low views. So my viewers' interest on this particular niche, it is very, very low. So if you want to create a video and then you type it here, if you see very low interest from your viewers, you have no business creating that kind of video, unless of course you are switching niche just like me. But if you are in the same niche, please, if you see low interest from your viewers, please do not create that kind of video. Continue to search for videos that your viewers have interest in it. I hope that I'm making a lot of sense. And now if you go down, you can see searched on YouTube. Topics that people are actually searching for on YouTube under YouTube growth are how to create a YouTube channel. You can see. Let's go to the next one. How to start YouTube channel and earn money, I guess money. Okay, let's go to the next. The next one says how to start a perfect YouTube channel. So under YouTube growth, if you are creating videos under YouTube growth, if you use any of these topics here on trends, okay, you are going to have people watching your videos. Imagine that I started this channel on YouTube growth. If I choose any of these topics and I make a video about it, people are going to watch the video. But fingers crossed, we are still going to have people that are going to start watching YouTube growth from this channel, because I have a lot to teach you based on my experience and research. Okay, now if you scroll down, you will see watched on YouTube. You can see this video with over 433.5 thousand views on YouTube, and she has made a video on how to start and grow a successful YouTube channel. So if I make a video on how to start and grow a successful YouTube channel, I recreate this kind of video, trust me, people are going to watch the video, because this is what people have been searching and watching on YouTube. Let's go to the next video. Now the next video says how to start a successful YouTube channel for beginners. If I create a video on how to start a successful YouTube channel for beginners, of course people will watch. If I recreate this same video that I'm seeing down here with 49,000 views, of course people are going to watch it, because this is what people are watching on YouTube. And now let's go to the last one. This one has over 532,000 views. How to start and grow a successful YouTube channel. I have made a video on how to start and grow a successful YouTube channel, but the views are low because I didn't start this channel with YouTube growth. So you can see that this is the easiest way for you to get topics for your channel. If you use the YouTube trends, you are always going to rank high in YouTube search, because these are topics that people are actually searching for on YouTube, topics that people are watching. And make sure that your title has keywords. Use keywords. See people that have made videos on that particular topic, and then use the keywords they are using in that video. So it is as easy as ABCD. So guys, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and let me see your comments in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.